Today I have a tutorial to show how to tell the difference between vector and raster using Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop to explain. So Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics editor and Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics editor. So for example, if I draw a box, it's just lines. And if I go to Command Y on a more complicated illustration, you'll be able to see in the outline mode that it's all lines. So I can draw a more complicated line, but it's still all lines. And that's what vector is. And vector graphics are scalable at any size without losing image quality. So no matter how big I get this, it could be huge banner size, highway banner size, and it's still crisp. Now, if I open the same, I'll save this, and open this same image. In Adobe Photoshop, and you'll be able to see that these are just, that this will rasterize the image, opening it in Photoshop. And so you'll be able to see when I zoom in with it at a smaller size, the original size, it's fairly crisp. But if I resize it to 200, for example, inches, and it takes a while because it's huge, and I'll go back to the original, I'll go back to the actual fitting the screen size and then zoom in again, and you'll be able to see the degradation in quality on the edges, especially the halo, and this is a good thing to keep in mind when you're enlarging photographs, that they can get less and less crisp, lose image quality as the image gets larger and larger. So small adjustments are fine, but large adjustments, and especially when you're going to print, are not fine. So that's my tip for today for beginners, just to explain the difference between raster and vector and how to use it in real life. Thank you for watching. Please like if you learned something.